Okay, I am G. Kurmaya, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Coeducation, Manaparthi. So yesterday we have discussed about preparation of carbonyl compounds. Today also continuous syllabus, that is also preparation of carbonyl compounds. The first method, preparation method, that is ozonologies. Osa ozonologies. Sorry, ozonologies. And the second, the name ozonolysis. Ozonolysis. Ozonolysis, it is a very simple reaction. The unsaturated hydrocarbons, if reacted with ozone, to form carbonyl compounds. That is known as ozonologies. Ozonologies means here alkenes. If you take alkenes reacted with ozone to form ozonide, it is further on react in presence of zinc or water to form carbonyl compounds. If you take one example, that is CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH and CH3. What is the name of this compound? 2-butene it is. 2-butene. Butene reacted with ozone, that is O3, and further reaction in presence of zinc, water, H2O or acetic acid, what may be, to form carbonyl compounds, that is aldehyde. So very simple reaction and ikkada ozonolysis means react with ozone. This ozone oxygen further addition with these two atoms. అంటే ఇక్కడ మధ్యలోకి బాండ్ క్లీవేజ్ అవుతుంది. ఒక ఆక్సిజన్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఒక ఆక్సిజన్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. అంటే 2 moles ఆఫ్ ఎసిటాల్డిహైడ్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్. దీనికంటే ముందు ఏమవుతుంది, ఓజోనాలిసిస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఓజోన్తో రియాక్షన్ జరిపిస్తే ఓజోనైడ్ వస్తుందండి. దట్ ఈస్ మాల్ ఓజోనైడ్ అంటే ఓజోనైడ్ వాట్ మే బి CH3 ఓజోనైడ్ రాస్తాను. CH3 CH next to oxygen, here CH, oxygen, oxygen, here CH3. It is ozonide. 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 Ozonide compound is formed. It is further on reactor in process of zinc or acetic acid or oblique water, what may be. So what happened here, bond cleavage takes place like this. It is a one compound, it is another compound. So what happened here, 2 moles of acetaldehyde is formed, that is CH3 CHO, 2 moles of acetaldehyde. It is a aldehyde. If you take another example, here ketone also form in process of ozonolysis reaction. That is second example, CH3 CH3 double bond CH3 CH3. So what is the name of this compound? 2,3 dimethyl 2-butene. It is 2-butene. It is also same and it is further reacted with ozone O3 and zinc, water directly to form acetone compound, that is CH3, 2 moles of acetone, C double bond O and CH3. It is 2 moles of acetone. Acetone is formed. It is ozonolysis reaction. Second process, second method, that is gem dihalides. From gem dihalides, from gem dihalides, dihalides. So what is mean by gem dihalides? Only one carbon atom have a two halogen compounds. That is called gem dihalides. Gem dihalides and the second one vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides means adjacent carbon two halogens bonded గా ఉండాలి adjacent carbon లో. అంటే జెమ్ డైహాలైడ్ అంటే ఒక కార్బన్ పైన రెండు హాలోజన్స్ ఉంటే వాటిని జెమ్ డైహాలైడ్స్ అంటాం. ఒక కార్బన్ పైన మనకు ఒక కార్బన్ కాకుండా పక్క కార్బన్ పైన రెండు హాలోజన్స్ ఉంటేనేమో విసినల్ డైహాలైడ్స్ అంటాం. సో ఇయర్ జెమ్ డైహాలైడ్స్ నుంచి కూడా ఈ కార్బనైల్ కాంపౌండ్స్ను తయారు చేయొచ్చండి. దట్ ఈస్ a process. If you take any example of these, that is CH3, CH, here Cl, Cl. What is the name of this compound? 1,1 dihaloethane it is. Dichloroethane. 1,1 dichloroethane it is. Ethane. This is a gem dihalides react in presence of aqueous potassium hydroxide. Aqueous potassium hydroxide, that is potassium hydroxide jala dravanam antamanడి. KOH presence లో రియాక్షన్ జరిపిస్తాం. KOH presence లో రియాక్షన్ జరిపిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ -2 moles of KCl ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతుంది. ఎలిమినేట్ అయ్యి CH3, నెక్స్ట్ COH, here OH, నెక్స్ట్ హైడ్రోజన్. సో ఏమైందండి, ఇక్కడ ఒక కార్బన్ పైన రెండు హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటాయి. ఒక కార్బన్ పైన రెండు హైడ్రాక్సిల్ ఫంక్షనల్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటే అది అన్స్టేబుల్ కాంపౌండ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్స్టేబుల్ అంటాం, అస్థిరమైనది. అన్స్టేబుల్ కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది, ఎంబడే వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ నుంచి. దట్ ఈస్ H+OH minus. Here eliminated as a water molecule -H2O. So what happened here? CH3, C double bond OH. That is acetaldehyde. Aldehyde compound. If we take another example, that is CH3, Cl. It is also gem dihalide, Cl and CH3. It is also reactor in presence of aqueous potassium hydroxide. Aqueous KOH. It is also same only. Eliminated 2 moles of KCl, potassium chloride. These two hydroxyl functional group bonded with halogen carbon. CH3, COH, here OH, here CH3. We know already it is also unstable compound. Why? Because two hydroxyl functional group bonded with only one carbon. So it is an unstable compound. So this unstable compound eliminated one water molecule, that is H+ and OH minus. So -H2O. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. That is acetone is formed. Acetone compound is formed. It is from gem dihalides. Now another preparation, that is alkyne. From alkyne. alkyne. It is also unsaturated compound from alkyne. Alkyne. From alkyne, what happened here? Alkynes first react with water molecule in presence of mercury sulfate and sulfuric acid at 170 degrees centigrade to form unsaturated alcohol, that is enol is formed. Enol compound can further it is converted and undergoes tautomerism to form carbonyl compounds. That is, if you take first compound of alkyne, acetylene, CH, it is reactive with water molecule H2O in presence of mercury sulfate, that is HgSO4. Second one, sulfuric acid, H2SO4 at 170 degrees centigrade. 170 degrees centigrade. To form here first vinyl alcohol, that is CH2 double bond COH here H. It is vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. It is an unstable compound only. Unstable compound. So it is further and undergoes isomerism, that is a tautomerism. It is undergoes tautomerism. So what happened here? These bonded electrons shifted to between the carbon and oxygen. So these double bond electron goes to oxygen, carbon. So what happened? This proton, that is a H plus ion, it is further addition with carbon atom. So that is CH3 single bond C double bond OH, that is acetaldehyde. So same reaction and acetone kuda form avutundi, same atta kuda tayaru cheyochu. That is second reaction. Alkyne, that is CH3. If take C triple bond CH3. So here also same reagent presence, that is HgSO4 and H2SO4. Mercury sulfate, sulfuric acid at 170 degrees centigrade. So here also same unsaturated alcohol is formed, that is CH C, next to OH double bond CH, sorry ఇంత కాంపౌండ్ ఇది కొంచెం మిస్టేక్ అండి. CH ట్రిపుల్ బాండ్ C, ఓన్లీ ప్రొపైన్ తీసుకుంటేనా, ప్రొపైన్ సేమ్. So double bond here CH3. It is also unstable compound again. Unstable. It is also undergoes tautomerism. So what happened here also, these electrons shifted to these. This electron shifted to plus water. These electrons shifted to these. So this H plus goes to this carbon. దీంతో బాండెడ్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is acetone. acetone is formed. These are preparation. Next, another preparation, that is dicarboxylic acid from carboxylic acid. That is calcium salts of carboxylic acid and calcium salts of carboxylic acid from calcium salt of carboxylic acid, carboxylic acids. It is dicarboxylic acid, calcium salts of carboxylic. If you take that is calcium formate, that is formic acid. This calcium formate, on heating of calcium formate to form carbonyl compounds. It's a very simple process. And calcium formate, CH, 2 moles of calcium formate, calcium formate. Here also another mole, COOH, here COOH, calcium formate. So to form here formaldehyde, that is HCHO, 2 moles of formaldehyde plus calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is formed. If you take another one, this is formaldehyde formation. Next, second one, calcium acetate reacted with calcium formate to form here acetaldehyde compound, that is calcium acetate, COOCH3, here COOCH3, acetate plus calcium formate, OOH, COOH. On heating, that's enough. On heating of these compound, here also 2 moles of acetaldehyde, CH3CHO is formed plus calcium carbonate is formed. It is another example. If you take another one, that is acetone formation. Acetone formation, acetone, that is 1 mole of calcium acetate. If you take only 1 mole of calcium acetate, 1 mole of calcium acetate, COOCH3, here COOCH3, COOCH3. So what happened here, on heating of this compound to form CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus calcium carbonate. What is the name of this compound? Acetone. Acetone compound. It is from calcium salts of dicarboxylic acids. Next, another one from carboxylic acids. Another preparation from carboxylic acid. From carboxylic acids. Next one from carboxylic acid. From carboxylic acids. It is also very simple reaction. The carboxylic acids carboxylic acids react in presence of manganese oxide at 300 degrees centigrade to form carbonyl compounds. If you take that is formic acid. If you take formic acid, that is HCOOH, 2 moles of formic acid, that is HCOOH C4OH. It is a formic acid. This formic acid and react in presence of manganese oxide MnO at 300 degrees centigrade. 300 degrees centigrade. To form here formaldehyde, that is a aldehyde compound. To form formaldehyde, that is HCHO plus CO2 plus H2O. It is a formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. It is a aldehyde form. If you take another one, that is a carboxylic acid, acetic acid and formic acid. If you take acetic acid with formic acid, CH3 COOH plus HCOOH, formic acid, in presence of manganese oxide, that is MnO at 300 degrees centigrade. 300 degrees centigrade. To form here acetaldehyde, that is CH3CH4 plus carbon dioxide plus H2O, water only, H2O. Okay. If you take another one, that is ketone formation. Here what happened here? 2 moles of acetic acids. 2 moles of acetic acids. That is CH3 COOH plus HCOO CH3. 2 moles of acetic acid. This is a very simple reaction, but manganese oxide 300 degrees centigrade. ఏమవుతుంది? ఇది వాటర్గా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సింపుల్. ఇది వాటర్, ఇదేమవుతుంది? కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ CO2గా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది? CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is acetic acid. CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus CO2 plus H2O, that is acetone. Acetone is formed. It is